Hello friends, I am Nimisha Rathod and I am professor by profession. Teaching is not only my profession but it is also my passion actually. And the platform by which my teaching skills has polished and immersed a lot, that is provided by BIMT College to me. This college is the key of my teaching career. And the college was established in 2009 with two professional courses, that was BBA and BCA. Later it is also introduced a new professional course that was BSc Home Science in 2012 and 13 session. This course is a professional course, and BSc Home Science is a professional course and it is a 3-year course. And the eligibility criteria to take admission in this program, that is art, science, commerce, any streams. Student that can belongs any stream can take admission in this program. And the BIMT College is the single college that is provided this course in whole Badaयूं district. And we have successfully crossed 5 batches from this college of BSc Home Science.
Hello everyone, myself Abha Singh, Assistant Professor of BIMT College Badaयूं. I will discuss here about BSc Home Science. In BSc Home Science, we learn about 5 branches: food and nutrition, textile, human development, home management and extension education. In these 5 branches of home science, we learn about food and nutrition, diet therapy, textile chemistry, community nutrition, entrepreneurship, economics, etc. The lab services, food and nutrition lab, textile lab and chemistry lab, provides very sincerely, very smoothly according to timetable. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Sharma, Assistant Professor Home Science Department of BIMT. We formally emphasize on projects and seminars to groom our pupils. Our alumni are presently working in many estimated and reputed institutions like SRMS Bareilly, Max Hospital Delhi, Apollo Hospital Delhi, upholding prestigious jobs like dietitian. We groom our students by performing numerous extracurricular activities that are totally domains to develop their skills and rigidly towards their destination. It is our sheer goal to provide a prestigious future for our yield ones. We emphasize for extra dimensional calibrated development for our future. Thank you and good luck.